You want the Silonn Slim17 because it does something that used to cost $500. It puts real chewable flavor absorbing nugget ice directly on your kitchen counter for under $150. Right, so you want people to spend $144 on a grinding machine that makes fast melting slush when the Euhomy gives you solid long lasting ice, has a built-in carry handle and costs just $69. Fast melting slush is unfair. It's compacted pellet ice. It's the same Sonic style ice people drive out of their way to buy by the bag. The Silonn puts out up to 36 pounds of it a day. People love it in a paper cup full of syrup. But think about what happens when you drop airy porous nugget ice into a room temperature iced coffee. It melts fast. You don't get iced coffee, you get a watery lukewarm puddle in 10 minutes. Bullet ice is dense. It does the one job ice is hired to do. Keep the drink cold without diluting it. I'll give you that. Bullet ice melts slower. If you're icing a cooler or pouring a whiskey neat, you want a solid block. But for daily drinking, water, smoothies, iced tea, nugget ice actually improves things. It absorbs the liquid as it melts. Finish the glass and you've got a cup of flavored crunchy ice left over. Try chewing bullet ice and you're booking a dentist visit. I'm not buying an appliance to feed an oral fixation. I'm buying it to chill drinks. And I'm not paying double what the Euhomy costs to do it. For less than half the price, I get a machine that drops its first batch in 6 minutes flat. $69 is genuinely cheap, I'll admit that. But context matters. A proper nugget ice maker, something like the GE Opal, runs several $100s. The Silonn is giving you an auger-driven mechanical system, the real deal, for a fraction of that. You can check the price yourself. But the general point holds. Nugget makers usually cost a lot more than the price of Silonn. And there's a reason a real one costs that much. You said it yourself, auger-driven mechanical system. That's a spinning metal auger scraping frozen water off a cylinder constantly. Combine hard tap water, moving metal parts, and a budget price tag and you get exactly what independent testers have already reported on this model. Ice quality dropping by week 4 because the open water reservoir is sensitive to mineral buildup. Skip the descaling and you get a squeaking auger sensor, and per multiple owner reports, compressor failures down the line. The Silonn has a one-touch self-cleaning cycle. Hold a button for 5 seconds and it flushes itself. Stay on top of it and it's very reliable. Stay on top of it being the operative phrase. That's not a light chore. Reviewers who tested it long term specifically called out that you need distilled water and a real maintenance routine or the machine degrades. Meanwhile, the Euhomy ran 30 straight days in an independent test without a single compressor issue. And it comes with a 12-month warranty and lifetime support from the manufacturer. What does Silonn give you when the auger starts squeaking in month 2? You're making it sound like nugget ice is a fringe obsession nobody actually wants. People specifically search Euhomy versus Silonn. That's the entire reason this comparison exists. Bullet ice doesn't have a cult following. Nugget ice does. I'm not denying the craving is real. I'm saying you can satisfy it without signing up for a maintenance schedule and a compressor that might tap out early. If texture matters that much to you, fine, buy the Silonn. Just go in knowing what you're actually buying, a texture premium with a reliability tax attached. And before you bring it up, the basket size argument, the Euhomy's bin only holds about 1.3 pounds. For a family or a party, that empties fast and you're back in the machine constantly. Compare that to Silonn's own bin, which isn't exactly a walk-in freezer either. Both of these are small batch machines. That's the category. The difference is what happens when you walk away for 20 minutes. The Euhomy keeps making solid ice reliably. The Silonn's ice quality is a thing on a maintenance clock. Okay, I respect that. I didn't expect the warranty and the 30-day test to be the strongest argument in this whole debate. It usually is. Nobody budgets for the repair. They budget for the launch day excitement. Alright, let me tell you what I think. Buy the Silonn if chewable nugget ice is non-negotiable. If you're making cocktails or iced coffee where texture genuinely changes the drink, and if you're willing to run distilled water and actually keep up with descaling. Don't buy it expecting low maintenance. That's not what the reviews support. But if you put in the work, the ice quality is a real upgrade over bullet ice. Stay away from the Silonn if you just want ice without a second chore attached to it. The compressor failure reports and the mineral buildup issue on the open reservoir show up across more than one independent test. That's not a rare edge case. For most people, the Euhomy does the boring, unglamorous thing correctly. It makes ice. It keeps making ice and it costs less than half as much as the Silonn. A working ice maker is a need. Buy for the need, not for the want. Go for Euhomy. Okay, you heard him, you heard me. I think Silonn is the choice if you are thinking about nugget ice. It's a great machine. It's expensive. It's got some maintenance to be done, but it's a good choice. No way. Absolutely not. It doesn't make any sense. Go in for Euhomy. It's the better one, more reliable, and it will give you what you actually need.